16 Best Side Hustles to Earn Extra Cash in 2023. Making money during your free time is a great way to pay off debt, build up your savings account, and earn more disposable income. There are many types of side hustles. You can do some of these remotely from home. Other side hustles will require you to travel around your city. It's important to identify a side hustle that works for your lifestyle, interests, and schedule. Get very clear on what you want to get out of your side hustle. Do you want to test out a business idea? Do you want to work in an industry where you don't have much experience yet and want a learning opportunity? Getting intentional about why you're doing the side hustle will help you identify the best fit for you. Read on to find side hustle ideas that may pique your interest. 1. Participate in paid online surveys. There are countless companies and market researchers that want to know what people think of their products and services. Websites like Branded Surveys, Swagbucks, and Survey Junkie have a ton of surveys you can get paid to take. Filling out surveys probably won't pay your bills, but it can pad your pocket with extra money for the weekend. 2. Get paid to test apps and websites. Nothing will halt business faster than a website riddled with issues or an app that doesn't work. So developers get testers to go in and push all the links and play with all the buttons to make sure things work before they go live. Guess what? You can get paid for that. Matchmaking sites like User Testing, UTest, Userlytics, UserCrowd, and Enroll can connect you with a ton of website and app testing gigs. Some competitive gigs even offer $100 for a 60-minute test, so there is money to be made here. 3. Deliver food. As with grocery delivery, food delivery has become increasingly popular over the past couple of years. Food delivery is an easy-to-start side hustle. With a ton of apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, SkipTheDishes, Canada only, and Menulog, Australia and New Zealand only, where you can sign up to become a driver. 4. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's products or services on your platform and get a commission from any sale that comes from your referral, usually through a unique link or code. This is a great way to combine side hustles. If you have a podcast, are an influencer, or have a store of your own, get into affiliate marketing. It's a great way to gain some passive income while you're either working on a different side hustle or working on your passions. 5. Tutor online. Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities, and with online platforms like Cambly, TutorOcean, Preply, and Learn2Be, it's easy for anyone to tutor students online. Some young entrepreneurs even start freelancing while in school. Services like tutoring and exam prep are so popular in universities among student freelancers that the test prep market is expected to grow at a rate of 6% annually until 2027. 6. Walk dogs and pet sit. These days, people treat their pets as members of the family, so there's a growing demand for reliable people to take care of their furry loved ones. In the past, finding clients was the hardest part of becoming a dog walker or pet sitter. But with apps like Rover, Wag, PetSitter.com, and Petbacker, it's easier than ever to find good clients in need of a hand. 7. Start a blog on Substack. Blogging has long been a popular side hustle, but monetization can prove challenging. That's why more and more bloggers are turning to Substack, a platform where independent writers can publish their work directly to their audience and get paid through the use of recurring subscriptions. This allows bloggers to build an audience over time and maintain a regular stream of monthly income, without having to rely on intrusive ads, sponsorships, or finding freelance writing gigs. 8. Sell your photography. There are a bunch of sites like Burst, Shutterstock, and Getty Images that are always looking to buy photos that can be used on websites and ad campaigns. And as long as the web exists, there will always be a need for new photos, because websites will always need to update and refresh their content. You can also sell your photography as prints or put them on a mug or sweatshirt. Get your images on something physical and sell them as hangable and wearable art. Getting quality prints of your photos is easy and cheap these days, so there's a real market if you've got the right image. 9. Start a podcast. Podcasting, like social media and blogging, has become a staple of the broader world of online content. In fact, podcasts have been growing more popular each year since their creation. Podcasting is comparatively cheap too. A decent USB microphone, many of which are sold specifically for podcasting, can be purchased for less than $100, and recording platforms like Audacity are free and easy to use. 10. Wash cars. Washing cars, both inside and out, is a task that most people know how to do, but few are eager to do themselves. That's what makes it such a lucrative side hustle. Costs can be kept low. Just a few cleaning supplies that you may already have. Apps like TaskRabbit, Steady, and Jobble have a ton of quick car washing jobs available in cities all over the world. 11. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube has more than 2 billion users who watch 250 million hours of videos every single day. Building an audience big enough to profit from YouTube ads takes a lot of time, which is why it's better to find a more direct connection to revenue than to wait for ads to become viable. Luckily, there are a ton of ways to make money on YouTube that go beyond paid ads. 12. Rent out your home to vacationers. You likely already spend time caring for and maintaining your home, so why not make some extra cash from it? Renting your home or spare room has big earning potential. Airbnb is the most common way to rent out your home, but you might also try listing it on other apps like Vrbo, Agoda, or Plum Guide, UK only. 13. Rent out your car. List your car on car-sharing marketplaces and rent it. If you have a car that you don't use, or if you won't use your car over a period of days, you can monetize that underused capital. But be sure that you don't rent it when you need it to get to your day job, unless your day job pays less than renting out the car. 14. Babysitting. Does the idea of spending time caring for babies and children's sound give you warm fuzzies? If so, babysitting might be for you. Before your first babysitting job, research what makes a good babysitter and start learning. 15. Referee sports. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, part-time, seasonal work is common for umpires, referees, and other sports officials. According to the BLS, employment of referees is projected to grow 32% from 2021 to 2031. As a referee, your schedule will change depending on game days, and you will often work irregular hours that include evenings, weekends, and holidays. 16. Sell food from a food truck. Research what it takes to run a food truck and what you will need. Here are some things to keep in mind when planning to open a food truck: the food, the type of truck, refrigeration, and the license required by law. In New York State, for example, you will need a mobile food vending license to operate. Once you're ready, start selling. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.